back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be watching about few projects on Arduino. So, this is the board which we'll be using for our project. This is the Arduino Uno R3 board. So, let's get started. This is the Arduino Uno R3 board which we'll be using. This is a basic kit which has breadboard, jumper cables and resistors, capacitors, LEDs with breadboard power supply module. This is a kit which I got for the Sense kit. Actually has 37 in 1 kit. So the future projects which I'll be doing will be from this kit, and yeah, stay tuned. In this video, I'll be showing with you guys the basic codes and the explanation and the working video of our project. This file will be given in the link in the description, so you all can open it. These are the codes, and you will have to have Arduino IDE, which is an open source. You can download it, and all these programs are just basic programs which could also be got. These are all the basic programs which can also be got from the Arduino website. So this will be our first program. In this code we will be seeing on how to connect 4 LEDs and light 3 at a time, and after a second of delay the other 3 will light up, and alternatively so on it goes. So you all will have to just load it to the Arduino and see if it's working. So let me do it now. This will be the basic code of the first program, and I'll be showing with you guys the working. So this is the execution of our first program, guys. This is how the connections are made. If you all want, you can check this also. So to make it easy for you all, I have connected the black wires to the ground and the red wires to the positive terminals, like 6, 7, 8, 9 other ports which we have selected for this code project. Then we have the second one, the second code. All these codes are from the free source. You can actually just go into the files and look up on examples, and you'll be having the basic ones like, blinking an LED, fading an LED, like digital and button. With the button we can operate an LED. So stuffs like this. There are a lot of examples. Do check them out. And these are the basic ones which I actually like, so I'll be explaining these with the video in this. And then there is the setup and the loop. This is the basic syntax of an IDE for Arduino. You have to define which pins we'll use, then the setup, then the loop instructions. So the second program I'll be showing with you guys. This is the connection for our second project. So when I change this dial there in the potentiometer, now move first, and the blinking speed changes, and at the end it lights up. Then we have our third program. This is a bar graph program. This is the bar graph experiment, and then this is a potentiometer. So when I'm turning the knob, LEDs which are connected in series will get turned on and off. Basically, you all don't have to get confused. There's a complete instruction PDF which I've also attached. You can refer it if you all have any doubts. This is an RGB LED, like, which will give us different colors. So this is our fourth project, guys. This is the RGB light, changes color. The connections are as follows. Then we have the photoresistor. So this will be the last code, guys. I have uploaded the code already. We use a 330 ohm resistor and a 10k resistor in this project. Here is an LDR. So when I actually apply light, depending on the intensity of the light, the LED also glows. So I don't think you can see it properly, because when the light is on, the LED also glows. When it's off, it gets off. So let me just zoom into it. When the LED gets on, depending on the intensity of the, and here is the PDF, guys, which has each program explained. Thanks for watching my video, fam, and do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.